Juan is a district manager. He manages 40 locations. Like every Monday, he starts his morning with 3 conversations. He talks to his boss about quarterly goals. He texts his best friend. Then he opens his main support tool, the new business intelligence dashboard with an integrated AI chatbot. His CTO promised this tool would change his life. Juan just needs to ask a question. He types into the search bar, "Why did sales drop this weekend?" The chatbot processes millions of rows of data in seconds. It spits out a 15-page summary and a pie chart. The answer is clear. Sales dropped 4% overall. Do you want to export to Excel? Juan sighs. He does not need a pie chart. He needs to know why they dropped. This is the core problem with generic AI in daily operations. It gives you the what, but it is completely blind to the why. Juan's chatbot does not know that a local festival inflated sales last week, making this week's comparison look worse. It does not know that a 4% drop on a Tuesday morning is normal statistical noise, but that same 4% drop on a Friday night is an absolute crisis. Adding a natural language text box to your data warehouse does not fix the interpretation gap. It just relocates it. Generic AI does not know your industry. It does not know which exceptions to ignore and which to escalate. To find the truth, Juan has to call Maria. Maria is the senior regional director. She looks at the same numbers and knows instantly that the food cost increase in Region 3 is an inventory receiving problem, not a menu problem. She knows to check the invoices first. That clinical judgment lives in Maria's head. It is tribal knowledge. The structural problem is that this knowledge does not scale. If Maria gets sick, goes on vacation, or worse, resigns, her institutional knowledge leaves with her. New hires take 6 to 12 months to become productive because they have to rebuild that understanding from scratch. Generic AI cannot access Maria's brain. It can only read the rows in the database. Now imagine a different Monday for Juan. There are no search bars. There are no filters to configure. The report just arrives. The email says, Store 12, comparable sales down 4% due to a drop in the dinner day part. A competitor reopened across the street. Action. Review local promo spend this week. This is AI performance management. Before implementing this, the Scoop team sat down with Maria. We recorded how she investigates the data. We codified her logic and her business rules. Now the system applies her 20 years of judgment to all 40 locations simultaneously, every single cycle. Juan receives a role-specific action plan, not a data puzzle. This is not theory. The largest pawn chain in the United States did exactly this. They codified their COO's instincts in just 4 hours. Today, that logic runs in every store daily, allowing junior staff to catch patterns that only a 20-year veteran would see. Stop forcing your managers to be data scientists. Stop trusting chatbots that do not understand your business. Book a discovery call to see how we codify your operator's logic and deliver role-specific action plans.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.